Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are in this world. It's 2025 and I'm here joined with Mr. M.
Hey guys, happy new year. Incredible, right?
Yes, it's been a great 2024 for Bitcoin, crypto. We're looking for another year ahead because that's usually the case with crypto, isn't it?
Yeah, and I think it's going to be exciting because 2025 is going to surprise everybody, which we're going to talk about in the show, right?
Exactly. It's always going to be the same but different.
Yeah, exactly. And guys, remember to smash the like button. Let us know where you're watching us from, by the way, because we have such a diverse amount of people, right? Your community is beautiful, so let us know where you're watching us from.
Exactly. So we're going to start off the show with, of course, some news, and we're going to talk about it, make some fun of the news and stuff and what's going on. And then we're going to do something a little dangerous.
Yeah, just
a little scary, a little horrifying. You'll be like, what the frig are you guys doing? And that is, we're going to go into the Degen section. We're going to buy random meme coins.
Oh boy.
Meme coins you should not be buying. Meme coins that will go to zero, like the last time we did the show.
Yeah.
And if you buy them, that's your fault. Better take out some your fault insurance. Because we're prepared to take the loss. So make sure you are as well if you're going to buy any of the meme coins in the Degen section, right? Because we don't know if it's going to do anything, right? Most likely not, right?
Yeah, most likely not. I still remember a few that we bought last time. It's funny though, right? That's what we do.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. I mean, but then again, fart coin seemed to be a serious investment.
Serious investment.
Turned out.
It turned out it was. It turned out it was. I cannot believe I'm saying this.
Yeah, so this is the kind of fun we have in the Degen section of the show, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But speaking about Degen, this is not so much of a Degen, this next coin that we're going to show you, which is Pepe coin. I told you guys about that Pepe coin very early on in the cycle. I remember when I did mention it on Carl's channel and my channel, everybody hated me, man.
I remember.
I got so much hate.
You guys were in Turkey, no? Were you guys in Turkey?
Well, I mean, that was a follow-up, right? The Turkey video, right? There was another. Before. There was a few before, and that was when I told people, "See, I told you so." The Turkey video, and you know, it went parabolic because, you know, it's one of those the meme coins that everybody used, memes that people used a lot in the space. So Pepe was clearly a token to do exactly what, you know, Dogecoin has done and everything. So you can see we have done some, I mean, beyond whatever I thought was possible.
Complete bananas. Complete bananas.
Beyond. So please be advised, although there's probably more upside for Pepe coin, it is going to end badly. Just so you know, right? Whilst there's still more upside, be ready because this is going to be a 90% retracement on this thing, right? If not more.
So plan accordingly, right?
Exactly. Exactly. Not yet, right? So for all those people who are like fully loaded and like, oh my God, you're just full of crap. You're just flooding. No. Hold on. Calm down.
Not just yet.
You're still good.
How long do you think we have until Pepe is going to be in winter?
Oh, we got a good like 6-8 months, maybe even more, right? We could extend all the way into 2027. So be prepared for something like that. But it will come to an end. Just so you know.
These two will pass.
Yeah, exactly. But just be prepared for that, and you won't regret it, right?
Indeed, yeah. By the way, so many good comments. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for filling in all those locations. It's so good. Look at me. People from everywhere, man.
Yeah, wow.
I love your community. Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. Wow, I can't believe so many people are up watching our show, because most people are asleep at this particular time zone.
Yep.
Right? But because we're in
the
Dubai.
pipe.
in the pipe, 5x5 in Dubai. Right? And moving on, right? Let's talk about this particular project, which is our sponsor for today.
Yeah, thank you for sponsoring the show, Nigella. Yeah, so that's an interesting one. So they have a bunch of different products. So they basically created a distributed ledger into a quite vast ecosystem. So it's quite interesting. Let me see, how can I scroll? Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go. Here, perfect. So you can see they have a suite of dApps, right? So they include a transparent supply for a chain solution. So what that means is when you buy and or sell a product, the product goes from the factory to a distributor and to a different kind of step. And what they've done a transparent way to monitor every single step in the supply chain, which is quite cool. They also have a DEX, which is nice, a decentralized exchange, and they have a MLM, which is a multi-level platform marketing. So again, on top of everything else, they also have a marketplace for digital collectibles or NFTs. So you can see they've been working on a different ecosystem. They also have an EVM on Ethereum, which means most of the projects on the DEX are going to work on Ethereum. And if you go run through their kind of light paper, it's interesting. They have a bunch of different things. They have Nigella Pay, for example. You'll be able to provide services for payment. So if you want to buy POS or NGL token, you can do so. They have a staking system. They have a swap system. They also have a token, which is fantastic. So as you can see, they are building a bunch of different things. So I would encourage you guys to check the link in the description and see to yourself and browse this beautiful ecosystem, because it looks like they are building. Also, the founder is, we know who they are. You know, most of the time, whenever there is a project, the founder, they just tend to stay per se in the dark. Whether if they expose themselves, it's a good sign, because it means they are not doing anything bad. So again, I'll invite you to check the link, and yeah, thank you for sponsoring the show.
Excellent, excellent. Wow, that's interesting. It sounds like a cryptocurrency that, you know, that's giving it a shot. It's something like Ethereum, basically. I wonder if they're a second layer of Ethereum, but I'd have to look into that closely to find out. But maybe another time I will see if they are
a dive deep into it.
Exactly, yeah.
I think we will see many of these projects coming out and offering a bunch of different solutions, right? Because there are so many things you can do on the blockchain, right?
You know, there's so much. It's not funny. So it's going to change the landscape of the future of finance forever, because so much can be done on the blockchain that it can't be ignored.
Yeah, indeed.
All right. Speaking of blockchain, we're looking at Bitcoin. Back at Bitcoin blockchain, the ultimate blockchain, the blockchain that's here for saving your wealth for the long term. Now, I say the long term because most people, when they buy into Bitcoin, they want to see profits tomorrow.
Yeah. Patience. Patience.
And that's the problem, right? Don't do that, right? Because here's the thing, right? We're looking in to see whether or not Bitcoin has topped out here. Should you buy? Because people are asking me now, should I buy? At 100K, should I buy? And I can say that there's a probability that Bitcoin will probably go below 100K in the future, whether it be, right now, of course it is below 100K right now, but I mean like significantly below, like maybe 50K or 60K or the last resistance point, which is 70K, which is the most likely point. Now, should you be concerned about that and say, I'm going to wait for that point? No. And here's why not. If you do that, you will not buy Bitcoin ever. Right? My friends, right, when they came to me at 60K and asked me if they should buy, I told them no. But then when I came back to them to buy at 15K, what did they tell me? Exactly. What did you think they told me?
Oh boy. By the way, CryptoKid is watching from Palau. It's good to see you, bro.
Really? Is he in Palau?
Do you know how difficult it is to get to Palau?
I know.
From Dubai, it's like a 30-something
Exactly.
hour flight.
No way.
But if you are in Palau, it's a good time to talk about the ID, right?
Yeah, exactly. Since you're in Palau, yeah, I have like right here. If you guys should definitely get their ID. By the way, it is definitely something you should have because they will do everything in their power, governments, to prevent you from getting into crypto. Why? Because you will be able to have a lot of wealth, and if you have a lot of wealth, they can't control you.
Exactly.
It is what it is. They can print money and control you, but if you have the wealth already, well, then you tell the government how the cow eats the cabbage. So make sure you get that cabbage.
In the description.
Yes, exactly. All right. Well, going back to this CBBI info, right? It's saying that the confidence level that we've peaked is at 78 out of, I guess, 100%, right?
Yeah. So technically we still have some.
Yeah, we have some room, a little bit of room, right? It's not like overly like, oh my God, riggings, we're overbought here, right? With that said, right, it is warming up. You can see here on the charts, it's warming up, but we still got some room to go. But we're more than halfway through.
How do you feel about it? Because I mean, if the cycle are going to repeat and or rhyme heavily, it should be around October, the end of the cycle. Do you think it's possible we finish before, maybe June, maybe summer?
Well, I get the feeling that now that Trump's the president, and once he walks in the office, they're gonna hit the stock market because they hate him so much, and that's gonna bring down Bitcoin. Bitcoin's gonna get brought down heavily because a lot of wealthy people have sold their stocks. A lot of wealthy people have sold their crypto, and so whilst there is a lot of people buying at the same time, there is a lot of like money that's going out of crypto as well at this price. You see my friends buy like a whole bunch of Ferraris, right? You see my friends cash out some of their investments. A little bit of, you might want to take some pause and go, yeah, I'm sorry. It is what it is. But that doesn't mean the cycle's over.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just we're going to have a little bit of a scare coming.
Yeah, that's definitely possible. I've seen Chris' video. Shout out to Chris, by the way. He was at Michael Saylor 100K party, and he recorded a bunch with Benjamin Cohen and other influencers, and they're saying that in January, so this month, they're also expecting a potential correction. So again, like you said, if you have a long time frame, who cares? You know?
Exactly. That's what I wanted to iterate, and that's what I talked about in the very beginning when we started about this.
Yep.
Is that yes, it is a little bit bubble-licious, a little bit close to, but not quite there. There could be a little bit of a pullback here, right? 40% corrections is normal.
Yep.
In this cycle, and we've seen that. Let me see if I could have swore we had like an
we
X
have
post.
a tweet with all the corrections.
Yeah. Let's see if I should have got that one ready, but no, I can't find it now. Oh well, I guess it's not in this list here. I guess I forgot to bring it out. But anyways, there is a tweet showing you all the corrections and stuff like that. I think it was on my WhatsApp right over here. Here, let's just bring that up.
Find it, yeah.
Because that was a good one.
Because like you said, nothing goes up in a straight line, and in every single cycle, we've seen corrections coming in. And by the way, this time, okay, we say all the time, this time is different, right? But it's been more muted. I think the biggest correction was what, 27 or 26% so far. But if you go back in time, in 2017 and so forth, you can see we corrected even 40%.
Exactly.
And that will freak everyone out. Imagine Bitcoin back at 70K. That would freak everyone out, right?
So yeah, don't be surprised if we have another one of these big number corrections in the future for Bitcoin. It is normal, right? Okay.
Yep.
Let's go on with Syria explores legislation to rebuild the post-war economy. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Because when you have an asset that cannot be manipulated by governments anywhere in the world to harm you, right? It makes the most financial sense. Now, it is a long-term plan, of course. It can't be in the short term. But it will, because Bitcoin is an asset for wealth, and wealth goes where it's treated best. And if you treat it right in Syria with Bitcoin, people will go.
Exactly. How do you feel about, so a couple of things I wanted to ask you. So one, Japan said no as a strategic reserve for Bitcoin, which was surprising because I think in 20 days, actually 18 days, when Trump is going to take technically charge officially, I think they might announce they have a plan. So what do you think is going to happen then? Because then, do you think other nations are going to reconsider their strategy?
Immediately. If the United States does do that, which it's 50-50, it's not 100%, it will be okay, a domino effect of epic proportions.
Yeah. We are reconsidering our plan due to a kind of circumstance. Yeah, I mean, I've spoken to Joanna Kotar, which is a Germany parliamentary, and she said she's expecting Europe to FOMO into heavy if Trump says we are going to. And there's a bunch of different ways they can do it. They already hold 200,000 Bitcoin, right? So that could be the beginning of it. I know Cynthia Loomis, she wants to do her proposal is in 5 years, she wants to buy 1 million Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's a good idea because the US dollar will collapse eventually, and there will be a reckoning. And what are we going to do then, right? What are they going to do then? They better have some assets to use for their spending that they can't seem to stop. So,
imagine when they think about they can print currency, dollars, euros, and buy Bitcoin with it. Wouldn't that like the infinite money loop of awesomeness?
Exactly. Infinite money loop of awesomeness. Yes. Oh, man, yeah. So anyways, let's going back to Syria. Syria is a nation still recovering from the fall of Assad. The government is getting ready for a drastic financial reform, the legislation or Bitcoin. Well, that's a key thing about when things collapse completely, which the U.S. government will collapse eventually, that's when we have great reforms and great changes. It's only possible, right, with a massive collapse, and that's what's coming to U.S. dollar, and has already came to Syria, and so it's easier for them to actually place into effect a Bitcoin legislation where they can actually probably use Bitcoin as, legal tender.
Yeah, necessity is a matter of invention.
Exactly, and it is necessity comes into play when your government collapses.
Yeah.
Okay, Bitcoin record network computing hash rate.
Wow.
What the heck is that? What kind of number is that?
It's
what?
That's a lot of zeros.
And just so you know, what is a hash per second? Well, Bitcoin has to guess in a number every second in order to guess what the next block is going to be. So it's doing that many guesses per second.
Damn.
Which I can't even pronounce that number. Let's see here. This is millions. This is billions. This is trillions. This is quadrillions. This is quadrillions would be five, so it would be septillion?
I don't know what's after quadrillion, yeah.
Quadrillion, quintillion?
Quintillions?
Wow. And then, well, this would be six. Sextillion? 8 sextillion?
There is an X in the end, so what?
That's per second.
Per second, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pentagillions?
Pentagillions.
Pentagillions. Jesus.
Godzilla zillion.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's a lot. But that means the network is super secure, no?
Yes.
It's getting more and more secure.
Yes, because that's what you need in order to actually make the next block. This is how much you need. Guessing is done to figure out the next block. So that's great. Good luck, Willow, trying to do that.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Breaking. Bitcoin's target of 120K in January as stablecoin reserves near a record 45 billion, signaling a potential buying pressure and a bullish start to 2025. I don't know about that. I'm not reading that. That much stablecoins means, yeah, I might be ready to buy, but why does it have to buy Bitcoin?
Yeah, stablecoin is a funky one. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So keep that in mind, or maybe they're waiting for prices to go down.
Maybe.
Just saying. Just saying.
What do you think about the FUD about the USDT in Europe to MiCA legislations? Because I've seen people going into huge FUD about, USDT is going to be illegal, which is not true. But
No.
What do you think?
The issue is, right? For example, for Bybit to be maybe a usable in the EU, they might require them to
comply to certain legislation?
to the users to only have USDC, not USDT, right? They might do that. They might also go, okay, well, they can't withdraw USDT, but they can use USDC on the exchange. Hopefully,
Yeah.
that would be okay to use the USDT on the exchange, but they can't withdraw it, right? But who knows? Who knows?
There also should be like a period in which, usually it's like 12 months maybe. So it's, because I've seen a lot of people are saying, oh, January 1st is going to be legal. Guys, I don't think so, because usually it takes time before they can't say from tomorrow.
No, exactly.
They have to give at least 12 months, I think, right?
It's just
FUD.
fun, really. It can be used in the EU, no problem. Okay, this is interesting. MicroStrategy's premium to NAV has dumped from 3.4, right, at the top, to 1.85 as of today. So what does that mean? The net asset value, meaning Bitcoin, the total, if you take all their assets, right, not just Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's the biggest asset that they have, right? So,
Yeah.
so you take all their assets, and then you figure out how much their stock price is based on their value of their assets. So, for example, all the assets is worth 1.85 times, right, their stock. So you do that multiplication, and then that's the total value of their stock, right? All right, and so that is effectively saying, well, what exactly? Well, people are saying that, hey, you know what? I'm not overvaluing their assets against their stock. So usually they have a NAV of 3x, right? Because people are like interested in buying the fact that they're going to continue buying more Bitcoin. And so, does that mean that Bitcoin in for a dump? Maybe, just maybe. Hopefully not.
Maybe. I mean, even if, like you said, even if we have another 10 months or 12 months per se, it's not gonna pump all the way. It's gonna correct.
Exactly.
Right. So we will see some volatility coming in.
And this could indicate the volatility, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I mean, I don't think the bull market is over by any means, but there's going to be some shakeout, and I've not seen in this cycle yet a big one, like where people are going to go, oh my god, yet. I've seen a 20, I've seen a 15, I've seen almost 30%, but I've not seen a 40, and we have a CME gap at 78,000.
Exactly.
So
that would be a nice 40 right there.
I will imagine Bitcoin going to 70. Everyone is going to go.
Yeah, it's over.
Like Peter Schiff mode.
Exactly. Full Peter Schiff. You never go full Peter Schiff.
Exactly. So it's possible.
Oh,
so that's why having some cash on the sideline could be a good strategy, right? To buy the dip.
Exactly. On the dips. When dips, sell the dip.
Indeed.
Alrighty. Monthly monthly L2 volume on Uniswap just hit a new all-time high. Oof. Yeah, these are usually indicators that tops are in when things are just too crazy high, unfortunately. But it's probably just a temporary top, right? what do you think?
I mean, we still have, I think we still have altcoin season to come in. Like we've seen a mini season, right? But
Are you seeing a pattern here? Right? Let me just draw this out for you. It's like up, right? There's a little, I wonder if you guys can see the cursor. Can you see the cursor? You're gonna have to move the cursor over there and just hide it, show them.
Right.
No, right here. You have to show it right here.
From
move,
here?
No, move it here. Move it here. You gotta move it on this side.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, there you go.
Click on it. Else they won't see
Okay,
it. There we
now
go.
You should be able to see the cursor.
So now, if you that, and then what happens? That was an all-time high, and then what happens next?
And then we dumped.
And it's an up, and then down, and then that's an up, and then down, and this is up. And yeah.
I mean, we could have a few more of these before we dumped, but yeah. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
Yeah.
Just say it. Just say it.
It's definitely a pattern there. Definitely a pattern there, for sure.
All right. We might be wrong. Right? But just look at the data.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, before we get on to the Degen section, just want to warn you, right? This is not for the
We
faint.
should have labels, warning labels.
This is not something that's going to make you rich
No,
tomorrow.
no. This is not something you should do
Yes, exactly.
under any circumstances.
Right? Unless you want to have fun.
But you can just
Losing
watch
money.
us doing it, right?
Exactly. Yeah. Right? And so that's what we're about to do in the Degen section. Okay? We're just having fun.
Going to the trenches.
Exactly. All right. But before we get into the Degen section, is there any questions you guys have for us?
Yeah, let us know, and feel free to keep putting your questions in
Where's
the chat.
that? Will Polygon be the bull market be in a bull market in 2025? Most likely. I mean, Polygon, along with a lot of different cryptocurrencies, will get their day in the sun. How much of a day in the sun is dependent on a lot of factors. So it may not do as well, for example, as, I don't know, Bitcoin or Solana. So I would say stick with Solana if you want to get the best out of it. And then, of course, Sui, of course, would also be another risk one to play.
Some of the coins, like even for example Polygon or Matic or Pol, whatever they rebranded to, but it's Matic. There's been a few that have not gone as I would expected them to go. Like only a few have gone above the all-time high, like BNB, Solana, even Ethereum hasn't gone yet over its all-time high. So I'm expecting a big altcoin season coming in this year.
Yeah, for sure. I noticed that somebody asked about an orc t-shirt a little ways up there. And the answer to that question is you're just going to have to join the what's it called? The Telegram group, and ask the dev to get you an orc t-shirt because he just made that for me.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
XRP pump, any idea why? Really? Did it? Did it? Really?
Yeah, it pumped from I think 50 cents to $2.
Yeah.
40.
I mean, we saw that, right? That was already occurred. Is there additional pump?
I don't think so. No. Let me go on your screen. I think actually.
There's a little bit of additional pump here.
Yeah, but nothing crazy, right? I mean, everything
Yeah,
else
but
moved up.
that's what he's talking about, right? So let's take a look at that.
Let's see. Let me go back and refine the question so I can put it on.
Okay, so XRP, it pumped. Yeah, it looked like it was going to dump all the way down to $1.50-ish area. I thought for sure that was a target. Looks like it held the bottom here. Some probably because there's no volume. You can see. Take a look at the volume. This is bad.
The XRP pumps are. We discussed it last time. No, they are suspicious.
Exactly.
Because, you know, if you zoom out on the chart, it's kind of sideways and then boom, a huge
An
kind of
explosion. So this is probably what this is Brad Garland saying. Pump it.
Pump it. Yeah,
Right.
it's interesting.
yeah,
But having
be
said
careful.
that, I mean, he will probably move again, right? Like those are the dinosaur coins, as we say. So,
All right. So be careful of that one.
how do you think about Pengu?
Pengu. Oh, Pengu. Well, let's get into that and get into the Degen section at the same time. Let me just bring up Pengu first. All right. New tab.
Let me know when you're good and I'll share it.
Hang on 1 second. So Pengu is a meme coin that exploded into the market. It was like, it had a good NFT collection, didn't it?
Yeah,
You
was
remember?
it Pudgy Penguins, no?
Yeah, Pudgy Penguin.
Yeah. Yeah, they've done a bunch of interesting things. They've done toys, like physical toys.
Exactly. Yeah, they did a lot of cool things. And immediately when this came out, here you can see here, let's just switch screens. It just exploded. There was buys, I mean, decentralized buys of millions of dollars at a time. Millions.
Look at that wick there.
Yeah, because they went millions. People went in with millions.
Dang.
Not just 1 or 2, but 10 million at a time.
Wow.
Right? So it moved fast.
That's crazy.
Yeah, exactly. And so, and it has, and if you're buying this, I would suggest you hold on, and buy the dips. Anytime this thing dips, you buy it.
Apparently there is a TV series and a movie coming out.
Because this thing is going to go during the meme coin cycle and go heavy.
Wow.
So, yeah, it's going to be in the top. If it's not in the top 100 already, which I'd be surprised if it isn't, it's going to be there and be in the top, top of the meme coins cycle, right? It's going to be one of the top 10 meme coins. So be ready to hold on to this to the top 10.
I wonder what happened to the NFT collection. Is it gone up by reflection?
Sure.
Maybe we can look into it for next time.
All right, speaking about other solid buys, right? PayPay, right? Nice solid buy for long term, right? Also, WowMao, right? We're not going anywhere, right? We're gonna hold it. I'm holding on to WowMao, Waffles, and Orc, right? Because we've got a lot of support behind these particular meme coins. It's not like the other ones that are rug pulls that we're going to be debuting right now. Let's start with Maximus.
Oh boy, that's the Elon.
What
the
the
Elon Musk.
What the hell? What the hell happened here? What happened here? Oh my God. I don't know what's going on.
Oh man.
There's a lot of coins that are following this Maximus. They're like all doing the
Maximus dump.
Exactly. They're following a new pair. What's this? Oh my God! Another one? Wow. The Spartacus.
Is that the Roman?
Yeah, the Romans and the
narratives.
Narrative. Yeah, exactly.
Oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
But isn't that? I mean, people are asking about Daddy coin, the Tate.
Fartarus.
It's definitely.
There's definitely a theme here.
It's definitely a buy. Oh boy.
Wow.
No. Oh no. I didn't even know, but I mean, do you know anything about this Elon Musk changing his Twitter profile to the frog thing? What was it all about?
No. What's that all about?
I don't know. Guys, let us know in the chat if you know. Like I'm not following much, but I've seen there's been I think he's gone back to his normal face now, but
Okay, that's good.
there's Kecius Maximus. I don't even know why.
Dogius. Oh my God. Wow. What the hell happened here?
Jeez. This is just like complete crazy. But like you said, there are patterns, right? Like when something comes out and it pops.
Yeah, exactly. Then you know everybody follows the same narrative, I guess. Let's go after the new pairs.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see if we can get something happening for that we can buy and lose our money on. Remember, once again, anything that you see here, if you buy it, make sure you take out your fault insurance. Right?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm looking at some of these and I'm like, what?
All right, so newest.
Have you seen the ARK16 or something? The AI coin has gone complete bananas.
Which one's that?
If you go open up crypto bubbles, I don't know the exact token, but if you go crypto bubbles
Okay.
and you go for the month, you should be able to see, I think it's called AI, there you go, AI16Z.
No way! That's
It wasn't the one that we were looking in Moscow?
yeah.
That's gone crazy.
No way!
Crazy.
Didn't I have some of that?
I sold everything.
You did?
Yeah, but way back when we were in Moscow.
I don't know if I sold everything.
Complete bananas. Bananas.
Damn.
Like that would have made us so much money.
I know, we bought into that a long time ago.
Yeah, and we went in with like, I think it was a couple of $100, so that would
Oh, I had a few left. There we go. That's good. Oh, well.
Huh?
Didn't have much.
Imagine if we would have kept it. Oof,
I know,
that would've
exactly.
been crazy.
Wow.
At some point, I think I put in $400 on that one. And then it doubled and I sold into, I didn't leave.
Look at that volume. 400 million.
Yeah,
2 billion market cap.
crazy,
Jesus.
crazy. That was a good call.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you guys have done it, congrats. I left definitely way too early.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Yeah.
But here's the thing, right? And this is why meme coins are really tricky, because if you do find a gem, it's hard because they either go to nothing, they go to zero super fast. So that's why you don't want to technically hold on into memes unless they are blue chips, right?
Exactly. But then it takes a. You don't know which one's going to go to blue chip, so that's why you got to take profits along the way up, and then hopefully something.
Yep.
Right.
Exactly.
Does well. So let's see here. Is there anything here that you see?
The baby coma.
Baby coma. Really?
Yeah.
There's all kinds of $7 worth of volume here, man. All $7. Not just 7 million, $7.
Wow.
Let's not and say we did.
Yeah. Wow. Peach.
Oh.
What's peach?
Well, it was 23 minutes ago. It's peach force.
This is proper trenches.
Wow.
This is the front line of trenches.
$2,500 went into that. Should we get it?
Is it base? Is it on base?
Oh, it's on base. Oh,
wow.
Okay.
Peach on base.
Alrighty.
Solid.
Definitely. Bye.
Oh boy.
All right, let's just go with, how do we filter by the chain? Let's filter with just, let's see here.
Top there, yeah, I think there.
Solana, okay.
And Solana is the ultimate trenches.
The Degen trench. Let's see here. What should we buy?
Yes,
I want to buy something. I don't know what to buy. What sticks out in your name? Buy. Screen.
What is it? Poly. Has probably like a copycat of the penguins, right? Yeah, Pudgy.
Poly.
It's probably one of the penguins.
That's already went negative.
Negative 100. Boy.
100%. Wow. Damn. Wow. That's a buy.
Poly Degen. Tornado.
Damn.
Congo. What's Congo? Oh man, they're all in red. Maru.
So this is to show you guys, man. You might want to like, is Peach? Oh, did we not like? Okay.
I filter by. Yeah, I think you did.
Okay, so here we go. Let's see here. Let's go to the next 100. Okay, this is all the really new Degen that, hey, you're gonna lose your money, you're gonna lose your shirt right away kind of assets here. What the heck? I just told it to.
Yeah, I think when you change page, you will reset your.
The filter.
We are all in the trenches. Yes, we are at the moment.
We're deep in. We're deep. Okay, let's see. Let's get something that's a little bit less new. Let's go by.
And you just scan the chat.
Volume.
What's a unicorn fart? Is that even a
What?
thing? we have to check that one. For sure.
UFD. Okay, let's do that one.
Unicorn fart dust. I mean, this is gonna be so solid.
Oh my gosh.
We have to buy it.
Yep.
Like this is. Thank you, by the way. That's it.
Yep.
That's it. This is no brainer. I don't even need to look into the chat. So
Exactly.
done. Done.
Spot.
Bucket. A bucket.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna pass out one day.
Oh, damn. I know exactly.
This is happening.
This is happening.
This is happening.
This is happening. UFD. I'm done with UFD. Yeah, you know me.
UFD all the way. Like this is gonna retire our entire bloodline.
Exactly.
Oh boy.
Oh wow! Look, it's got 2.6 million in liquidity locked. That's
Perfect.
crazy.
Perfect.
That's crazy.
This is perfect.
10 million volume, 70 million market cap. What the hell?
It's
How's this possible?
It's happening. It's happening.
Wow,
UFD.
this might be a serious investment.
Yep.
Yeah, I said that.
This is happening.
Yes, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
No, we don't know the story. We don't need to know the story.
No,
because
exactly.
This is already enough for us.
The
to follow
story's
it.
right there.
The story is right there. Yeah, remember guys, research is for losers. USD is gonna make millions.
Oh my God! Are you kidding? Are you kidding? This is too much fun.
It is.
It is too much fun. These meme coins.
boy.
But this is what they're all about, right? This is what this. You gotta have fun with these meme coins.
Exactly.
And I'm not having trouble swapping to buy this thing because I'm laughing too much, right? And my laughter is just killing me, and I can't even press any buttons. There we go. All right, UFD.
I'm gonna FOMO into it as well.
Yeah, you're gonna get some.
I'm FOMO. Yeah, yes.
How much you get it? Like you're going big, man.
No.
I'm going big.
You're going big.
Going big or go home.
I can't even believe I'm doing this. All right, let's. It's on Solana, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Done. Done.
You,
I've lost all my money.
UFD, guys. I'm doing it also. Unicorn fart dust. It's this one, yeah.
Yes, there it is.
Okay, I'm going in with I don't know, 100 Solana, $100.
Jesus. So hopefully I got the right one. Actually, well, I did. I went with. I went on the.
All right, it's happening. There you go. Swap, guys.
Boom.
I'm FOMOing in.
Boom.
I'm losing money also. This is
Well, we might get lucky, right? Because let's do some technical analysis now, right? And let's do some serious analysis. Well, you can see that there is definitely some support. There's a support line here, which it failed to break, and broke that, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Right? And so if it can recover that, and it could hold this, let's see here, right about, no, there's nothing here. Yeah, we're in dog doodle land here. We might be going down here with the shit. Right? We should have done a little bit of technical analysis on this.
It's UFD, man.
A little bit.
How about this line here, we just retested it? Is there something there?
I mean, no.
No.
Not really. I mean, you can see, right? This is still. You could say, well, it broke, but it's not really, not really, right? And then even if you call it as a break, you're gonna have to wait for some sort of Wing action on the other side of this thing to really.
But hey, this is magical. So
yeah, exactly.
TA doesn't apply to farts.
Exactly.
People are saying the story is amazing, so I will definitely not look into it. but thank you. This is one of those things like trenches. We have no time for research, right? You weren't just gonna go and buy them some dusts. That's it. No brainer.
No brainer, man. I'm filled with my UFD.
I wonder who the guy is on the photo.
I don't know. I don't know.
It doesn't matter. It's awesome.
Yes.
Either way.
Yes, it is. This is our pick of the century right here.
Done.
We're gonna put this to the side, right, so that we can actually see how much we lost tomorrow. Right.
What would be the strategy on these things, right? When it doubles, you sell half, always, right?
Oh, yeah, always, obviously. Yeah, because if it doubles, right, we get like if this thing gets to 140 million market cap, which, I mean, it's possible, man. This thing might do that, right? Then sell half, right? And then who knows? It goes to like $14 billion market cap after that.
Exactly. Who knows? Anything is possible.
Exactly. I don't know if I'd count on that, but but yeah.
Okay, well at least we got one, which is good. How do you feel about jumping into the Romans narrative? It's too late.
Wait,
right?
what is this? Egg. Just egg?
Egg. Wow.
Are they egging us on?
It pumps though.
Yeah.
I mean, there was a big movement. Would you wait a retracement?
Yeah. Let's go to a lower time frame.
It's not.
I don't like the looks of that. I'd wait for this thing. You can see that. Yeah, you can see how this ended up a little bit down. But it didn't reverse nicely, you can see. And then we're losing momentum here with the volume, and with this Hemming situation, we'll probably have to see it retrace at least to the 61.8 before we decide to get anything in this token here. So I would say, yeah, you can say right around the it's at for what? So it's at 3.5 million market cap. So the 2 million market cap probably is where you could safely start, considering this, depending. But then again, I would just remember you can lose everything, right? If you do buy this.
Yeah.
Do you buy it here? Nah.
We're not yet. People are saying check out Spellcoin. I have no idea what Spellcoin is.
Spellcoin, okay.
I've seen a few in the chat. Spellcoin.
Spellcaster, spell token.
There's probably a bunch.
Yeah, exactly. I don't see anything. All right, he didn't give us the ticker symbol, so.
Yeah, if you can give us a ticker or something, or maybe the address, we can have a look into it.
Damn. Okay, so it looks like this narrative.
Oh yeah. No.
AR
boy.
16Z. Oh boy, here we go. Should we get this one? This one looks like it could pump again.
Could go up again.
Mm-hmm. Not much. We could end up all the way up here and then fail. 8 million market cap. Yeah. We're not getting a double out of this, are we? Probably not. If we were down here, maybe.
I don't know. It's the AI narrative. I don't. I mean, maybe the first one, but do you think that maybe it'll go somewhere? But
Maybe. It's got large volume, but it's only been out for like a day,
okay.
right? Because you could tell it's like 1 day, maybe 2 days. There you go.
Yeah.
You're like, I don't know if I want to spend my money on that one.
I mean, this could be a maybe, though. Yeah, like you said.
It's a maybe.
The chart is not terrible.
Yes, yeah, the chart's not terrible. I mean, you could probably pull out a little bit on a percentage basis of like a 20, 30%, for sure. But getting a double here, it's a little bit difficult to say. Difficult.
Yeah.
And we'd have to do a lot more research. There's a decent number of holders, though.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so totally up to you guys. I'm not getting it, but up to you.
Yeah. See how many people we have watching. We have 420 people watching. Amazing, guys.
Wow. Make sure you guys hit the like if you're liking the Degen section here.
Exactly.
Okay, let's see here. Open.
GI.
What?
What's Grocket?
What's fake coin?
Oh, hell no.
Oh my God. That's so fake.
It's not going to end up well.
No, it's at 90K market cap when it's high as 500,000 market cap and dumped. Okay, that's it.
What's the
fake.
Grocket?
Rocket, where did you saw that one?
It was in the list. I don't remember where. There you go. That one. Grocket. What's this one? What's this one about?
250K market cap. And I don't know what Grocket's all about. There's only 1,000 holders. 1,250 holders.
Ouch. It's not going to end up well, right?
No. No.
Some people are saying check Purple Bitcoin. What's Purple Bitcoin?
Purple. Did they have like a poop coin? Really? 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 Have we sunk that low? Oh, well, we have fart coins, so I guess so.
Yeah. But it's unicorn.
Yes.
Right, so.
We got the unicorn fart. Yes, that's special. Special.
Ooh, Chinese year.
The snake, yes, the
snake.
green snake, yes.
Okay, this could be something.
This could be something, yeah. But
2025.
let's see here. We have, yeah, you know what? I'm going to roll the dice on this one.
Snake eyes.
Yes. I'm rolling the dice on snake.
20K locked. 83K market cap. This could be a good one.
Yeah, I'm just going to roll the dice and see what happens.
Nice. Let me see what the chat is saying.
Let's roll the dice on this.
Let's see. A lot of suggestions. Thank you, by the way, guys.
Yes. So I'm rolling my dice on that one just because. Not because of any kind of like, you know, technical analysis, right? Other than it's cheap, right? With 1 million volume. Yeah, why not?
Plus, it's an easy narrative, right? It's a new year, Chinese New Year.
It's not funny though, but would nice be funny. But let's see if the Chinese end up buying it.
Exactly.
Yeah, there we go. About a little bit. Pump that thing.
See what
Now,
happens.
the question is, somebody probably might ask, should they buy it?
No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Oh, damn.
Just buy Bitcoin, guys. Just buy Bitcoin.
Exactly.
Get Satoshis. That's it.
All right, let's do one more.
Uno más. Vamos. Yeah,
And,
the purple Bitcoin is intriguing. I don't know what that is, but a lot of people are talking about it on the chat.
What's that?
Purple Bitcoin on Solana.
Okay. What's the ticker?
Pterosaurus Schiff. You gotta love the name.
What's the ticker symbol of purple Bitcoin?
Can you tell us the ticker? What's the ticker? It's purple, I guess. Well, I don't know.
Is it really?
I don't know. Let's see if you know the ticker. It would be good to know. Purple Bitcoin on Solana. Ah, there you go. PBTC. PBTC. Thank you.
What the hell is this?
Okay, let's see. Purple Bitcoin.
10,000 holders,
Dang.
right? Low volume.
260K locked.
It's decent.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
That looks
So
it looks scary, but
we
it's not.
might buy the bottom here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going in. I love purple, I love Bitcoin. It's happening.
Yeah, I think you've got something here.
All right, let's do it. Swap. Purple. PBTC. Oh, there's a bunch. Okay, so we need to know. We need to know the address.
I don't know if I got the right one either.
Let me check. Go on Dex screener here and see.
Because if this is, but this could have been a fake one, right?
It could have been a fake one, yep. Purple Bitcoin. There is so many. I mean, this one, the volume is 297,000, so that has to be that one. Has to be the one that you are looking at.
Yeah, but is it the one that everybody's using, though?
I think so, because it's the one who has the highest market cap.
Okay, let's go with that. So what's the narrative of this thing?
Just no idea. I'm getting some.
Same here.
Yeah, 0.4. There you go. This looks interesting. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
It's done. Let's see how fast we lose our money today.
I think this one. I think
Oh
we
man, Unicorn
we
fought
got-
us is already down.
really.
It's already
It's
down.
far- it's a
Starting on the wrong direction.
Exactly. Damn.
But
Well-
they have a Twitter account, they have Telegram, they have a website. Yeah, look into it.
Yeah. Okay.
You guys are losing money. Yes, we are losing money.
Yes,
That's the old
exactly.
idea of the show. Losing money.
This section, at least, right?
Yeah,
Just
exactly.
having fun with the
trenches.
Yeah, in the trenches here,
Yeah.
and see what happens. Because there will be one meme coin that we buy that explodes and gets us all our money back. Maybe we could get lucky.
We could, yeah.
We could. There's no guarantees. But
It's a
we
game
could.
of mystery. That's why you have to stay tuned and see how bad it's gonna get. Done.
Done. There it is. Boom. I got my purple.
Same.
Purple nurple. All right. Well, that's it for today.
We haven't even looked into the project.
I know.
Say, purple Bitcoin. Bye bye.
Oh, it's just in fun, guys. But honestly, that's what meme coins are all about, right? It's just fun, gambling and stuff like that. Don't take it very seriously.
Yeah.
It is not your investment. Should be like something that's, oh, this is my serious investment portfolio here.
No,
No,
you don't want to do that.
this is just a big gamble, right? Do we know anything about Purple Coin? Even if we did, right? I mean, what could it possibly do?
Exactly. It's just a Degen move. That's it.
Yeah,
Simple as.
exactly. That's it. And you know it, right? It's all the meme coin space is all about. Right? So make sure you choose wisely. You know that people are going to do it anyways, right?
Yeah.
So this is why we suggest you to just buy Solana, right?
Exactly, because that's where most of the memes are, at least now. So, yeah, are we recording a podcast soon? We want to go on the beach, no? Record
Yeah,
the
for
phone?
sure. Yeah, let's do that. Let's definitely do that. Right, right in front of the what's it called? The Royal Atlantis. Yes, we do
Sounds good.
some podcast there.
Yeah.
That'd be interesting. Make sure you do check out Mr. M's podcast for that
Indeed.
beautiful show that
Yeah,
we're going
it's
to do.
gonna happen.
So yeah, it's going to be a beautiful one. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Cheers.